So here in this problem it says that A and B can finish work in 10 days. This means we can write here A plus B do it in 10 days, okay, and B plus C here in 18 days, okay. Now let the total work is LCM of these two quantity. It will comes out to be 90. So efficiency of A plus B will be comes out to be 9 and B plus C will comes out to be 5. Okay, so here total efficiency of A plus B will comes out to be 9 and B plus C will comes out to be 5. Clear? Now next part of the question. A started work for 5 days. A worked for 5 days. Okay. A worked for 5 days. B 10 days, and remaining work was finished by C in 15 days. So it indicates that the total contribution of A for 5 days, B for 10 days, and C for 15 days will result in the total completion of work, and that work is equal to 90 units. So we can write here, okay, efficiency of A is A, then A work for 5 days, total work will be efficiency into time now. So time is 5, efficiency is A, so 5A will be the total work, the contribution of A in the total work, plus. Now B work for 10 days, this means 10 into B, and C work for 15 days, this means 15 into C. This is the individual contribution of each A, B and C in the total work, and if we can sum the total efficiencies, total work, part of total work, individual work, we will get the total work, full work 90. Now take 5 as a common, it will result to A plus 2B plus 3C is equal to, we will take 5 here, 90. So it would result to A plus 2B plus 3C is equal to 18. Clear? Now the main goal is we have to find how many days C will alone finish the work. So here A, B and C are the efficiency. So now if you look carefully, there are 3 variable equation. Okay, the first equation is given to you, A plus B, B plus C is equal to 5 given to you, and this is the third equation. As I already told you that if we have to solve the 3 variable equation, the 3 equations should be given. Here 3 equations are given, so we can easily solve this. So first focus we have to find about C. So we will try to substitute the value of A and B in terms of C. So there are various methods to do so. Okay. So here A plus B is equal to 9, B plus C is equal to 5. So we can, if we look carefully, we can write here A plus B can be written as B plus B plus C can be 3C can be written as C plus 2C is equal to 18. Now A plus B is equal to 9, so instead of A plus B we can write 9 plus B plus C we have given as 5, so we can write here 5. Okay, plus 5 plus we can write here 2C is equal to 18. So 9 and 5 will comes out to be 14 plus 2C is equal to 18. So 2C will comes out to be 4. So efficiency of C comes out to be 2. So total time taken by C is equal to, the total work is 90 here. So total time by C, time of C will be total work W by efficiency of C. So here total work is 90, efficiency of C is 2, it will comes out to be 45 days. 45 days. So this is the critical process. If you can do this, it will solved. But somehow in case it did not strike in your mind, then at that situation you can also do this, like this is the answer. You can also do this in the following way. I'm just erasing this one. Okay, I'm erasing this one. So now we know that we have to find the value for C. Here A and B relation is given to you, B and C relation to given you. If you could subtract this one, you will get A and B. We will cancel out. A minus C is equal to 4. So A can also be written in terms of 4 plus C. Is it clear? So now we can see that A can be easily converted into C. And by this relation we can write here B is equal to 5 minus C. So B can also convert into C, and this is already C. By putting the value, we will find the value for C. So here in this case, we can, instead of A, we can write here 4 plus C, plus in case of B we can write here 5 minus C. So it will become 5 minus C plus 3C. We can write just 3C and 18. So 4 plus C plus 10 minus 2C plus 3C will comes out to be 18. Here 10 and 4 will 14, and that side it will be, comes out to be 4, and it will leads to 2C is equal to again 4. So C will comes out to be 2. So again the number of days taken by C is equal to work, that is 90 divided by efficiency 2 comes out to be 45. Comes out to be 45. Clear? Now another method. After this, what you can do in this question, that look here, if you read question carefully, you will see that here A had worked for 5 days and B worked for 10 days. Okay, A worked for 5 days and B worked for 10 days, and the remaining work was finished by C in 15 days. So it indicates that A worked for 5 days. So we can write here A worked for 5 days. So A worked for 5 days. Okay, and the part of B which worked for 10 days, just we can combine in the form of, okay, A worked for 5 days na. So A worked for 5 days. Okay, so total work of A in 5 days will be 5A. Now B worked for 10 days, so it will be 10B as in the previous condition, and C worked for 15 days, so it will comes out to be 15C, and total work will comes out to be again 90. Total work will comes out to be again 90. Now what we can do, so just break it like 5A plus 5B plus 5B, okay, plus 5C plus 10C is equal to 90. Why we have to do such splitting between work? Now look here. Since A started work and worked for 5 days and B worked for 10 days, and remaining work was finished by C in 15 days. So you can see that here A worked for 5 days and B also worked for 10 days. This indicates that B is also worked for 5 days. So total part of the work we have arranged in this manner, 5A plus 5E, so that we can take 5 as a common. It will comes out to be A plus B, and value for A plus B is given to us 9. Okay, now if 5-day contribution of B we have taken along with A, so that our relation satisfied A plus B is equal to 9, what we can do, we can take another 5B out of 10B along with 5C, so that after taking 5 as a common we will get B plus C so that the b plus c value is given to us 5. We can write here, and 10c is equal to 90. Now if you put the value for a plus b is equal to 9, you can either take 5 as a common. If you take 5 as a common, we will get 5 into a plus b, okay, plus b plus c plus 2c is equal to 90. Clear? It will comes out to be 18, and this value is given to you like 9, this is given to you 5, so it will 14, and subtracted by 14, 2c is equal to, again we will get 4, so c is equal to 2. So number of days taken by c is equal to 90 by 2, comes out to be 45. Okay, so if you could focus on the wordings of question, is A started work for 5 days, B work for 10 days. Okay, work for 10 days, A work for 5 days, B work for 10 days, and C work for 15 days. It indicates that B, we can divide the contribution of B along with A and along with B. What we have done in this question, the contribution of B goes to A and some part goes to B. So what we do in this type of question, we take A is equal to 5 days. Okay, now contribution of B we divide to first given to 5 and here 5, and C we give 5 days here and 10 days for here. So B plus B total contribution is for 5 days, A plus B total contribution is for 5 days, and this is how we solve the question. But there are different methods to solve this question. Whichever you understand and confident about that, proceed with this method. This is very efficient method, and you can solve directly with this method. Thanks.